Hello everyone, I'm going to present a video on unboxing Zigo G360 mobile phone. Okay, first we have a look at the features. This comes with reverse standby, 2.4 inches display, 2 megapixel camera with video recording, and FM radio. You don't need to connect to the headset while you are listening to the radio, and it has GPRS, Bluetooth, and music player. Okay, now we are going to unbox the phone. There are two seals here and here. Okay, we are going to remove it slowly. Here we go. Hello. This is the phone. What's inside? Here's the bag, a nice bag. And the charger. The battery. And the micro USB cables, headset, the warranty card, and the user manual. Okay, and now we are going to insert the SIM card and the battery to the phone. Okay, let's remove this first. Here you'll find two slots for the SIM cards and for the microchip. Let's insert the battery now. Here we go. Switch on now. Okay guys, let's have a look at the camera now. It has a 2 megapixel camera with a flash. Let's check the camera quality. You can record videos with this camera, and here are the buttons for the zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in like this. To zoom out the net. Let's switch to the okay, let's take a photo now. Okay, we have switched to the camera mode. Here we go. You can zoom in like this and zoom out. Right, that's it. I think. Okay guys, that's it. Zigo Mobile G360 is a nice phone with 3G facility enabled and 2 megapixel camera, radio facility, the awesome speakers, and you can experience and enjoy, share moments, experience certainly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's have a look at the phone now. It has the front camera to make 3G calls, and the main camera with 2 megapixel and the flasher. And here you'll find the ports for micro USB cable and the headset and the nice speaker here. This phone has a 2.4 inches display which is nice and clear.